Today I'm going to share with you guys my Modern American House full image prompt pack. This pack contains 6 full images of modern American houses. All the images are in 4000 resolution, meaning they are super high quality and perfect for making large-scale prints or even using in virtual reality. As always, I will provide all the prompts used to generate these images, as well as some tips on how to get similar results. So let's get started. The first image was generated using this prompt. A beautiful modern glass house with a swimming pool and a beautiful garden surrounding it. 4K, ultra-realistic, detailed, intricate design. The glass walls of the house offer panoramic views of the pool and the lush greenery outside. Natural light floods the interior, creating a bright and airy atmosphere. The swimming pool is a perfect spot for a refreshing dip on a hot day, surrounded by comfortable lounge chairs. The garden is a mix of manicured hedges, blooming flowers, and towering trees, providing both privacy and tranquility. Overall, the scene exudes luxury, relaxation, and a deep connection with nature. For the second image, I used this prompt. A minimalist modern home with clean lines, and a focused on functionality, located in a peaceful neighborhood in the suburbs. 4K, ultra-realistic, detailed, intricate design. The exterior of the home is clad in sleek materials such as concrete and steel, while the interior is bright and open with plenty of natural light. The home's simple and uncluttered design is evident in its furniture and decor, which is minimal and functional. Despite its modern aesthetic, the home feels warm and inviting, perfect for a young professional or a small family seeking a tranquil suburban lifestyle. The third image was created with this prompt. A stunning modern farmhouse with white siding and a red front door, set against a backdrop of rolling hills and a clear blue sky. 4K, ultra-realistic, detailed, intricate design. The house has a wraparound porch with comfortable rocking chairs, inviting visitors to relax and take in the stunning views. The interior of the home is decorated in a rustic yet sophisticated manner, combining modern amenities with vintage charm. Large windows allow natural light to pour in, showcasing the beauty of the surrounding countryside. The home's exterior is complemented by a lush green lawn and a gravel driveway, creating a picture-perfect setting. Overall, the scene evokes a sense of peace, tranquility, and the simple pleasures of country living. The fourth image is generated with this prompt. A luxurious mansion with a towering white marble facade, set amidst sprawling manicured lawns and gardens. 4K, ultra-realistic, detailed, intricate design. The mansion boasts intricate architectural details, such as arched windows and balconies, as well as a stately porte-cochere for guests. The interior of the home is just as impressive, with soaring ceilings, antique furniture, and priceless artwork adorning the walls. The mansion exudes an air of timeless elegance and sophistication, perfect for a wealthy family or celebrity seeking the ultimate in luxury living. The fifth image was created using this prompt. A cozy cabin nestled in the woods with a wooden deck overlooking a serene lake. 4K, ultra-realistic, detailed, intricate design. The cabin is surrounded by towering trees and lush greenery, providing a sense of seclusion and tranquility. The wooden deck is the perfect spot for enjoying a cup of coffee in the morning or a glass of wine in the evening, taking in the breathtaking views of the lake. The interior of the cabin is warm and inviting, decorated in a rustic yet comfortable style. Large windows allow natural light to flood in, creating a bright and airy atmosphere. The cabin's exterior is complemented by a stone fireplace and a wooden sign hanging from the porch, adding to its rustic charm. Overall, the scene evokes a sense of peace, solitude, and the beauty of nature. The last image was generated using this prompt. A futuristic smart home with sleek lines and a minimalist design, integrated into a bustling city skyline. 4K, ultra-realistic, detailed, intricate design. The exterior of the home is clad in glass and steel, with floor-to-ceiling windows offering panoramic views of the city. The home's smart technology is evident in its automated window shades and security system. The interior of the home is open and airy, with white walls and furniture complementing the sleek stainless steel appliances. The home's rooftop terrace features a swimming pool and hot tub, offering residents the ultimate in luxury living. Overall, the scene depicts a harmonious blend of modern architecture, advanced technology, and urban living. Now let me share with you some tips on how to get similar results. First, make sure to use a powerful text-to-image AI generator. If you don't have access to one, you can try using MidJourney, which is a free option with limited capabilities. For best results, I recommend using a paid option, but if you do use you can try using the AR 2:3 aspect ratio option to get more landscape-oriented images. I also recommend using the Quality 2 option to increase the image resolution. In addition to that, you may want to try using the No Watermark option to remove the MidJourney watermark from your images. However, keep in mind that this option is only available to Discord premium users. Next, it's important to use high-quality prompts that are specific and descriptive. Use vivid language to paint a picture in the AI's mind, and be as specific as possible when describing things like the architecture style, color, materials, and overall aesthetic. You can also use keywords like 4K, ultra-realistic, detail, intricate design to guide the AI towards generating a high-quality image. It is also helpful to look at other people's prompts for inspiration and to try experimenting with different styles and techniques. Remember to be patient and persistent. Generating the perfect image can take time and experimentation, so don't be afraid to try out different prompts and settings until you get the results you're really happy with. Finally, consider using prompt engineering best practices, such as using title case sentences, starting with a strong subject, and including relevant keywords and details. By following these tips and using a combination of specific, descriptive language and technical keywords, you can increase your chances of generating high-quality, realistic images of modern American houses. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this Modern American House full image prompt pack. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content like this. Let me know in the comments below what type of content you would like to see in the future. And if you really want to support my work, consider becoming a member. I appreciate all the support and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.